The Kardashian sisters are magnets when it comes to attracting rich male celebrities. Kim Kardashian dated Kanye West, who is a billionaire, then married him and acquired what she could before leaving him. So, why are the Kardashian sisters always after the rich men? Despite being so rich and famous, the sisters keep looking for new rich famous men. Who are their former rich celebrity boyfriends? And why do they have so many? Let's find out all the details. First, we have Ben Simmons. You might know that Ben dated Kendall for over a year, but you may not know how much he invested in her. According to Celebrity Net Worth, Ben Simmons is currently estimated to have a net worth of $6 million. Ben owns several real estate properties and other assets, but what makes his lifestyle so unique is that he is dating several A-list women, the main reason for his and Kendall's split. Many of the Kardashians' rich former celebrity boyfriends are on our list today, so make sure to check them all out. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the richest males that the Kardashian sisters have ever dated. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Next on our list is the one and only Scott Disick. Scott had very deep relations with the Kardashian family, and he was the closest to Kourtney Kardashian, considering they remained together for 12 long years. This might even be the longest relationship a Kardashian sister has been committed to. An interesting fact about Scott is that he was widely recognized around the globe when he starred in the famous reality TV show Keeping Up with the Kardashians. According to Celebrity Net Worth, Scott Disick currently has an estimated net worth of $45 million, which means that he shares his spot with Tristan Thompson, Kourtney's current husband. The Kardashian sisters love famous basketball players, and a few of them have even dated some. Tristan Thompson is one of them. Khloe and him were very close and they share a daughter, but rumor has it, Tristan cheated on Khloe with a close family friend Jordyn Woods. Since then, the couple has split. According to Celebrity Net Worth, Tristan Thompson is currently estimated to have a net worth of $45 million. It's true that the Kardashian sisters have acquired expensive gifts from their exes. They are so good at this, it looks like the sisters were always trained for this mission by Momager. So, what more men did they use? Don't worry, because that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Next up on our list is Lamar Odom, a former professional basketball player. Lamar, who according to Celebrity Net Worth is currently estimated to have a net worth of $30 million, dated Khloe Kardashian in 2009. Soon after, they decided to get married. But unfortunately, they didn't go through with it. One of the reasons being Lamar's tendency to flirt with other women. There were also several rumors targeting Khloe as well, saying that she cheated on him. The last boyfriend on our list is Ray J, Kim Kardashian's former long-term boyfriend. When Kim first met Ray, she wasn't as popular and not even a reality TV star. But Ray J had huge popularity and a lot of money. According to Celebrity Net Worth, Ray J is currently estimated to have a net worth of $14 million. Now, the Kardashian sisters have been with many elite class men, and you can say that those men played a vital role in their immense popularity. Today, the sisters have a combined net worth of billions, and many fans might argue that their money isn't always hard-earned. There are several other ways you can make money, and you are a pro at it if you are a Kardashian. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the richest males the Kardashian sisters dated in the past? And what are your thoughts about the Kardashians using most of them for money? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.